Debbie Mack here, and I'm sad to say that I have finally given up on the grinder. I'm sorry, Fred Savage, but I love your acting, but the show is just too much for me. Number one, no judge would put up with the kind of things that go on in that courtroom. Nobody rises to address the judge. Just because somebody is a celebrity and plays a lawyer doesn't mean a judge is going to fall for that. And it's just plain ridiculous. The whole show is just getting more and more ridiculous as it goes. Secondly, the one person in the show that seems sane, the girl who keeps rejecting the grinder's advances, who says all the stuff that lawyers are thinking, actually sat at a meeting of the lawyers and said, I can't find a way to prove this guy's innocence. Well, any lawyer knows that you don't have to prove innocence in a criminal trial. The state has to prove guilt because innocence is presumed. You have to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt as the state, and that's the state's job, not the defense lawyers. The defense lawyer is there to poke holes in the prosecution's case. And if you have an alibi, well, that's great, but you don't have to have an alibi in order for you to do your job. Those are the two main reasons. I mean, the show is just getting more and more ridiculous, and stuff like that just convinced me I can't watch this anymore. And as funny as Timothy Olyphant is, and as wonderful as he is, he's just not enough to save it. So, sorry to the producers of The Grinder, but I'm done. That's all.